In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a slow sales process with Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If your deals feel stuck or your team spends too much time clicking around, a few small tweaks in Pipedrive can make a big difference. We'll focus on 2 quick wins: streamlining your pipeline and automating repetitive work, so you can move opportunities forward faster with less effort. Let's start by simplifying your pipeline. Inside Pipedrive, look to the left sidebar and click on Deals. At the top right, click the pen icon to edit the pipeline. This opens a view where you can delete stages you no longer need and rename the ones that are unclear. The goal here is to reduce friction. Keep only the stages that reflect real, meaningful progress, and remove anything that's redundant or confusing. If 2 stages capture the same idea, merge them into one clear step. Rename vague labels so everyone knows exactly what belongs where. Think in terms of outcomes and momentum. Each stage should represent a specific change, like moving from initial contact to a confirmed meeting or from proposal sent to negotiation. A leaner pipeline means fewer handoffs, faster updates, and a shorter time to close. Now, let's take care of busy work by automating it. On the left bar, click the 3 dots icon, then select Automations. Here, you'll see ready-made templates you can use right away, or you can start from scratch if you have a unique process. Templates are great for common actions, like creating a follow-up task when a deal moves stages, or sending an internal notification when a deal value changes. If you prefer to build your own, that works too. You will then need to set the parameters for your automation and activate it. As you set these parameters, think in terms of triggers, conditions, and actions. For example, the trigger might be when a deal enters a specific stage, the condition could be that the deal value is above a certain amount, and the action could be to assign a task or send an email. Keep your first automation simple, focused, and easy to understand, and avoid overlapping rules that could create duplicate tasks. Once everything looks right, turn it on. That's all. By reducing pipeline stages to the essentials and automating routine steps, you'll remove clutter, tighten your process, and give your team more time to actually sell. Apply these 2 changes today and watch your deals move faster from open to won.